Seeing multiple Miss Brennerhoffs instead of just one.
A legal expert has had a funny reaction to Ben Chu humiliating Elaine in the sealed document. Recently, due to Judge Azcarate's efforts, we were able to take a look at some important documents that had previously been sealed in the Depp Heard case. Some of these documents have had a treasure trove of entertainment, like this one where Ben has completely destroyed Amber's attorney Elaine. Ben's funny comments on her not only sent us into a laughing fit, but also introduced a hilarious reaction from this legal expert. What did Ben say about Elaine that was so funny? Keep on watching to find out. The June 24th hearing resulted in a vast amount of unsealed documents being revealed to the world, and one of these documents contained a hilarious comment from Depp's lawyer Ben Chu on Amber's attorney Elaine. A transcript of the hearing from the 25th of February had a moment where Ben humorously made this comment in court. "This is my nightmare, seeing multiple Ms. Brennerhoffs instead of just one. I was kidding, Elaine." A famous YouTuber and legal expert, Emily D. Baker, in one of her videos, comprehensively broke down various documents from these recently unsealed files. And when she reached this particular part, this is how she reacted. Emily tried to move past it and read the rest of the document ahead, before being dragged into Ben's quirky comments once more, not being able to control her laughter. She went on to add the following about Ben Chu's personality. Emily is absolutely right to point out that Ben Chu is a snarky character who has an amazing charm to his personality, and it shows up in court. With his sarcastic remarks and brilliant reactions to some of the stuff in court, he has made this case feel a little less sinister. Other people have noticed this as well. This Redditor took to social media to share their views on Ben, writing, "Ben Chu's comedy special, just a snarky guy." Many people commented their thoughts below, with one user mentioning Emily's reaction to it, saying, "I love it when Emily D. Baker cracks up. She laughs with her whole body, and it's so contagious." Another commented, "It's so good there is also a Depot from Johnny in there that is also very funny, and with a little bit more evil Elaine. There's a reason why everyone keeps calling Ben a snarky guy." This is a throwback to the trial where Judge Azcarate shared a comical moment with Ben.
Has no bearing on this case and is thus not germane to this litigation. Therefore, I'll deny the non-party HM Productions motion to intervene.
Thank you, Your Honor. For the record, I've known Mr. Tobin for several years. I meant no snarkiness toward him.
Well, you're just a snarky guy.
Mr. Chu has quite the reputation of being a funny and likable guy, which is one of the reasons why the jury resonated with him so much and eventually found the story he told to be truer than the one Amber's attorney Elaine told. This incident hasn't been the only one that displays this side of Ben. There are plenty of videos all over the internet lauding his funny reactions and responses throughout the trial. Just take a look at some of these. How can you not love this guy?
Narcissistic trait in and of itself is a risk factor for IPV.
But you are mischaracterizing what I said. What I said, I'm pretty sure I said cluster B.
That's what really happened the evening of your 30th birthday, isn't it, Miss Heard?
No, that's
Mr. Depp was in bed, and then you came around the bed and started punching him.
that's incorrect.
You don't deny that in the recording, do you, Miss Heard?
I'm not having that conversation with John.
You're talking about your 30th birthday.
No, we're not.
You're not talking about going to Coachella and...
Johnny's talking about that. I am not arguing with him about any of that.
Right. You don't deny anything, do you?
I'm not talking to him about that.
Okay. Going to publish exhibit, or ask that the witness be shown exhibit 1, 2.
That is correct.
You're aware that Miss Lloyd was deposed in connection with this case, correct?
That is true.
And Miss Lloyd's deposition testimony was played earlier in this trial, right?
I'm going to object, Your Honor. May we approach?
All right.
You describe Mr. Depp sexually assaulting you in the Bahamas of December 2015, right?
That is correct.
And that's the first time you ever claimed that Mr. Depp had sexually assaulted you in the Bahamas.
That is incorrect.
Not only do his funny remarks bring the temperature of the courtroom down, but his attitude toward his client Johnny Depp also helps ease him up. He was surely a welcome addition to Johnny's team, and we love him for his snarkiness. Ben Chew is a fellow in the American College of Trial Lawyers and a seasoned litigator with over 25 years of courtroom experience, so he knows exactly what he is doing when he makes these comments. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.